To see how your profile appears to others, and to control what information is visible, choose Privacy Settings from the CDM Plus Engage menu under People. At the top of the Privacy Settings screen, you can set switches that control what sections of your profile are visible. For example, I may choose not to have my address visible to other CDM Plus Engage users. I flip the switch by address so that the switch is gray and my address won't be visible. The bottom of the Privacy Settings window shows a preview of how your profile appears to other CDM Plus Engage users. Notice that my address is no longer showing in the preview. Maybe I don't want others to see the pictures of other people who live in my household. I flip the switch on Photos under Relationships, and the preview no longer shows those pictures. If I don't want others in the household visible at all, I switch off all three: Name, Photos, and Types. Now, when someone else in one of my groups chooses my profile, they only see the information that I choose for them to see. CDM Plus Engage makes it easy to show all the profile information or hide all the profile information with the Hide All and Show All buttons at the top of the profile settings.